I'm Nathan, I'm the director of Johnston Electrical Services. Been an electrician from a young age, working with my father's business. Started off as a wee child putting flush boxes on, and now we're running full steam ahead with my own business. Currently at the moment our main focus is new builds, working with several large new build companies in Auckland. We also specialise in underground services and aircons. A typical day for me would be up at 5 AM, get ready for work, and then me and the team meet at our workshop based in Mount Wellington. We'll sort out a plan of attack and everyone will just go off and do a thing and meet back at the workshop around 4:30. What I like most about being an electrician is putting the client's dreams into reality. We tend to treat everyone's home as like it's their own home, and some people have different budgets and it's trying to fit into that and make everything possible within that budget. When we do the final handover with the client, it's quite special seeing them see the finished product and them getting a bit of satisfaction going through the house and seeing everything come to life. Happy client means that we're doing our job right, and it also means that they're happy and they're possibly lead into future work and word of mouth clients as well. My favourite PDL product would probably almost be the entire Wiser range. I love basically installing it and doing that automation with the clients and getting it to the way that basically the client has envisioned. Wiser has led to basically our team being able to streamline their processes when it comes to automation. It doesn't change the way we wire a house. It means that we can still do the whole installation without reconfiguring the whole switchboard and fitting things in. I've been in Club for coming up 4 years now, and what I like about being part of the club is that I get to see products on an earlier stage. We get to have our input on what's coming into the market and what's actually going to be a better product for electricians in New Zealand. Basically, it's quite good knowing that our feedback is actually getting listened to and shown in the products that are coming out. It means that we've got a bit of a personal touch when the products all come to market. Training for our company is very crucial. It gives us the opportunity through Club to upskill our knowledge on products and be ahead of the game when it comes to new products coming out. It means we get the knowledge we need to install the product before we're on site physically handling that product. PDL's product evolution has evolved with us quite well. Obviously we used to install 600 series back in the day, and as everything's grown and become more versatile, we've been able to incorporate Iconic and then obviously the Wiser products for automation, and now we're leading into Resi 9 and going through all that process to basically build a healthier, safer home for our clients.